I'm Kanak and welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today we are going to see how to make Puran Poli. It is a famous Maharashtrian dish which is prepared during festival or any other occasion. So over to my kitchen to see what you need. 1 cup of split chana dal boiled, 3/4 cup of jaggery or sugar, dash of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, water as desired to knead the dough, half a cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, pinch of salt. To make the puran or the stuffing, here I washed and soaked my chana dal in enough water for 3 to 4 hours and then cooked it in a pressure cooker with a cup of water until 3 to 4 whistles. Now mash the dal nicely, or if you want you can also put it in a blender to make a smooth consistency this way. Now in a pan, add the mashed boiled dal and also add jaggery to it and mix well and cook it on a very low flame till the mixture becomes nice thick and starts to leave sides of the pan. The jaggery or the sugar will leave some water while cooking, so make sure to nicely dry the mixture. Once it is nicely dried up, now I am going to add cardamom powder and a dash of nutmeg and again mix well until all the things are nicely combined well and dried nicely. Now this is a puran ready for a puran poli. Keep it aside. Now for the dough, take the whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour in a bowl and mix well. To this I am going to add some salt, water and again mix well and add water little by little and start to knead the dough. This dough has to be little soft and loose, and once it is done, cover it and leave it to rest for about 1 hour. Now for making the puran poli, again take just a teaspoon of oil and start to knead the dough nicely well with the help of your hands. Now take a small ball of the dough and roll it into a small disc with the help of some dry flour, and then take the small portion of the stuffing and stuff it into the rolled disc and nicely seal the edges inside in a circular shape this way as I am doing, and squeeze out the excess dough out of it. Now with the help of some dry flour, roll it into a circular direction, normally like how you do for paratha. Now once all the parathas are ready, heat up a pan on a medium heat and roast puran poli from both the sides. Press a little with the help of a spatula, or if you want you can also use cloth. It will take around a minute or two on both the sides. Now you can see it has started cooking, and keep flipping it until it gets nicely cooked and nice golden spots on it. Now once the puran poli is about to done, apply some ghee on both the sides and again flip it for the one and the last time and serve hot. And my lovely puran poli is ready. As you can see, it is perfectly well cooked and looks quite rich with some ghee on top. So you also try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for 4 such festive recipes. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy cooking.